Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm April, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm here taking out my braids again. I just took out, I got some feed-in braids done again last month. I've had these braids in for 4 weeks now, and it's long overdue. This time I tried to get my hair braided like one of my favorite YouTubers, Minnie Marley, and it didn't come out quite like hers, but it was close. But these braids here that were in the very front on the side of my face, they were like really in my face to the point where it's like, okay, as my hair started to get dirty, my face started to break out, and you probably can see some blemishes here because I've been picking, which I know is a no-no, but they were really getting on my nerves. They were like literally in my face. So now, the first time I got braids, I was like, oh, I will never get them braided up again. And now, second time having braids, I don't think I'll ever get them braided in my face again. Like, wearing protective styles is no joke. So late last night, I got home and I was just like, I'm ready to take these braids out because I didn't have to work this morning. And I wanted to get a really good sleep without braids in my face. So I just took like the first 3 out, and I'll insert a picture so you can see. But I can tell it has grown a little bit more in the front compared to last month, so that's good. And after this, I'm going to get some box braids, and I'll probably wear the box braids for 2 months, and then I'll be done with the braids. Because honestly, it's nothing like having your hair. Like, it's not. But I'm not going to talk your head off. I'm going to take these braids out, and then I'm going to wash and deep condition. So when I'm done, I will be back to tell you what I will be using today for my wash day and deep condition. All right, keep watching. So I'm back. I just took out all of my braids. I detangled my hair using water only because while I had the braids, you can see some white residue. I used a lot of leave-in conditioners when I had my braids in, so my hair was still moisturized. I used a lot of oil too. So to wash my hair today, I'll be using the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore shampoo. And also I'll be using the Strengthen and Restore treatment mask. They sent 2 of these in my Shea box. So I've never tried this shampoo and mask before, but I do have some of the Jamaican black castor oil products. So I will be using this to cleanse my hair, and again, since I've had those braids in for a month, I do need something that will give my hair some strength and restore its moisture and get it back to its natural state. So I'm going to try these. I'm going to go wet my hair and I will be back so I can show you how it lathers. So I just wet my hair. So first I'm going to be using the shampoo. Looks like on my hand. It really doesn't have a smell. Well, yes it does. It kind of smells like the Jamaican black castor oil, but the Jamaican black castor oil that I use is not by Shea Moisture. It's actually by Tropic Isle Living. But this shampoo, the consistency, the color, everything reminds me of the black castor oil. And as you can see, it is lathering up as soon as I apply it to my scalp. So that is great. I can already tell with that lather, with the amount of lather, that it's really working as far as cleansing. Ooh. Oh, I'm telling y'all, it feels so good. Feels so good. After having your hair trapped away for a whole month, like my face started breaking out and everything. Feels so good to be able to scratch my scalp. Whew, my face is soaking wet. I just got out the shower because when I needed to do a good wash, like a real good wash, because after I haven't washed it for a whole month, I need to get all up in there. So I use this shampoo and it really is nice. Like, it reminds me of black castor oil, the Tropic Isle black castor oil, but it's just shampoo. And some of the ingredients, it has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar, but you can't smell any of it. I feel like my mouth is too far down, but you can't smell any of it, so that's a plus. So this was good, and it lathered up really nicely, really fast. But some of the benefits of it: it removes buildup while infusing your hair with nourishing moisture. It's perfect for those who regularly color, straighten, or perm or heat style your hair, as well as kinky, curly, or wavy natural styles. And it's formulated with Jamaican black castor oil and certified organic shea butter to help promote natural growth by strengthening damaged or chemically processed hair, reducing breakage, and the resultant shredding. Peppermint oil helps invigorate the scalp for a tingling experience. So I didn't feel a tingling experience, but it's probably because my hair is so dirty. But I did not feel a tingling experience, but my hair does feel good and it feels moisturized. So I'm getting ready to apply the mask, and I have a whole lot of water in the shower cap. It's probably going to fall out all over my floor. So let me put this on. Woo! Telling you, it's nothing like a good wash after you take out those protective styles. I love when I get to wash my hair like a whole month, y'all. A whole month. That's a long time. So now I'm going to go in with the mask. Deep conditioning mask restores strength and resilience to damaged, brittle, or chemically processed hair, perfect for those who regularly color straighten. Same thing with the shampoo. Formulated with nutrient-rich Jamaican black castor oil and certified organic shea butter, helps promote growth by supporting hair's elasticity, reducing the appearance of breakage and shedding. And the peppermint stimulates the scalp for an invigorating experience, leaves hair soft, manageable, and shiny. So let's see, my hair is ready for a mask, deep mask. After shampooing, apply generous amount of the strengthening mask from roots to end. Pay particular attention to hair end. So I'm going to remove the shower cap. Ooh, and since I have some water, I'm going to keep this water because I'm going to probably need it for my hair. Now I'm noticing it's like whenever I take the braids out, my hair changes texture. It's like the texture is starting to change, and I'm noticing more shrinkage. I'm still not sure about what my hair type is, because to me it's just like it's hair. Hair is hair. So I'm not sure what my type is. So here is what the mask looks like, and it smells like, oh, I got some on my lip. Oh, it smells like the Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner that they have. With all my hair, I'm probably going to have to use both of the packs, which is not a surprise. I wish they sent a bottle instead of these packs, but we'll make it do what it do. Comb through for even distribution. Place a plastic cap over hair and sit under a warm dryer for 10 to 15 minutes. May be left on hair up to 20 minutes without heat. Rinse thoroughly. So I'm going to leave mine in for 20 minutes without heat because I have somewhere to be. I was supposed to be here at 2 o'clock and it's already 2 o'clock. So yeah, I'm going to leave this in my hair while I take my shower and get ready and do all the other girly stuff in the shower. And then I will be back to show you what my hair looks like. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I got myself something to eat before I came on. So I have my shower caps on under my turby twist. So I'm gonna take this off. Shower caps off, and this is what my hair is looking like. It does feel soft and it does feel clean, and it does feel like it is some type of moisture in there. So I think it does what it says for the most part. I'm going to do a braid and curl, so I'm just going to part my hair in 4 sections. That's it. I'm highly satisfied with the results from my wash day. And until next time, I will see you in my next one. Bye.